This is Osito. He's about a year old. He's a poodle. He was turned in by his owner. His owner said that he's fine with women, men, children. However, when he was dropped off at the shelter, he was really overwhelmed. Weren't you? Now you're getting a little used to it. You're settling in just perfect. What a good boy. Thank you for all the licks. Yeah, that's a good boy. Are you going to get on my lap? Come on. Up, up, up. You just going to sniff me all over? Good boy. That's a good boy. You can tell he's still a little anxious, nervous, overwhelmed at the shelter, understandably. Ah, what do you think? You are very cute. Oh my goodness. There you go. Hi. Good boy. Are you coming for another little treat? Here we go. Oh, so gentle, Tiki. Good boy.